front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app that's already on your Motorola and click on red button at the bottom to start recording. If you want to adjust some settings beforehand, click on those three lines at the top left corner and select Settings at the bottom. Then you can adjust all of those, including quality. Go back, tap on red button and enjoy recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. You can delete it instantly by clicking on this arrow at the top left corner and choosing Delete. Or to end it and save it, tap on this square on the right. Now name it at the top and hit Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. Or to manage it, you can use all of those options at the bottom, like playback speed, end it and save it, tap on the square, skip each way, this icon here, which will loop your recording. You can also choose those three dots at the top right corner and pick those options, like Share, or this pen, which is my personal favorite because here you can edit your recording. At the top you can enable or disable noise reduction. Then pick a portion of your recording you wanna remove or leave. Let's go with this one. Hit Trim. Tap on Undo if you want to correct some mistakes. Tap on Trim again, and then when you're ready, hit Save at the bottom right corner. Tap on Save, or my favorite, Save as Copy, just in case. Now, if you want to manage any recording from here, you can simply hold it, and to delete multiple, use this bin at the top. Then confirm your choice. You can also tap on those three dots next to the chosen one and use all of those options, like Rename. If you want to recover any deleted recording, click on those three lines at the top left corner, choose Trash, hold one, and use this icon of an arrow to recover it. Then choose Restore and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!